Hello and welcome to our mini video tutorial series on cybersecurity forensics, investigation, and response. In today's digital age, where cyber threats are increasingly large, understanding how to conduct forensics, investigate incidents, and respond effectively is crucial for safeguarding data and maintaining security. Let's start by discussing cybersecurity forensics. Forensics, in this context, involves the collection, preservation, and analysis of digital evidence to determine the who, what, when, where, and how of a cyber incident. Cybersecurity forensics employs various techniques and tools to investigate security breaches, malware infections, data breaches, and other cybercrimes. This process helps organizations understand the scope and impact of an incident, identify the attackers, and gather evidence for legal proceedings if necessary. Now, let's delve into the key components of cybersecurity forensics. Firstly, we have incident identification. This involves recognizing signs of a potential security incident, such as unusual network activity, system crashes, or unauthorized access attempts. Next, we move to evidence collection. This step involves gathering relevant digital evidence, including log files, network traffic data, system images, and memory dumps. Once evidence is collected, preservation is crucial to maintain its integrity. This includes ensuring that evidence is not tampered with or altered in any way. After preservation comes analysis. This phase involves examining the collected evidence to reconstruct the sequence of events, identify the attack vectors, and determine the extent of the damage. Finally, reporting is essential to document findings, conclusions, and recommendations resulting from the forensic investigation. Moving on to cybersecurity investigation. While forensics focuses on post-incident analysis, investigation aims to actively probe and gather information about potential threats and vulnerabilities before they escalate into full-blown incidents. Cybersecurity investigation involves techniques such as threat intelligence gathering, vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, and monitoring suspicious activities. Let's explore the key components of cybersecurity investigation. Firstly, threat intelligence gathering involves collecting and analyzing information about potential threats, including malware, vulnerabilities, and threat actors. Next, vulnerability assessment is conducted to identify weaknesses in systems, networks, and applications that could be exploited by attackers. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, simulates real-world attacks to identify security weaknesses and assess the effectiveness of defensive measures. Continuous monitoring involves keeping a watchful eye on network traffic, system logs, and user activities to detect and respond to suspicious behavior in real time. Lastly, let's discuss cybersecurity response. In the event of a security incident or breach, a swift and effective response is critical to minimize damage, contain the threat, and restore normal operations. Cybersecurity response involves predefined procedures and protocols, often outlined in an incident response plan, to guide organizations through the steps of containing, eradicating, and recovering from security incidents. Now, let's outline the key components of cybersecurity response. Firstly, incident containment aims to prevent the spread of the attack and limit its impact on the organization's systems and data. Next, incident eradication involves removing the threat from affected systems and restoring them to a secure state. Incident recovery focuses on restoring normal operations, repairing any damage caused by the incident, and implementing measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. Post-incident analysis involves reviewing the incident response process, identifying lessons learned, and updating security measures to improve resilience against future threats. In conclusion, cybersecurity forensics, investigation, and response are essential components of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. By understanding how to conduct forensics, investigate incidents, and respond effectively, organizations can better protect themselves against cyber threats and minimize the impact of security breaches. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. We hope you found it informative. Please feel free to leave a comment or let me know if I made a mistake somewhere. Stay safe and secure.